All right, so check these guys. What you want to do is just punch this in the calculator, just like you see it. So go 9 root 28 and get your decimal number. So 9 and then square root, which is right above the x squared, and then 28. And what'd you get? No, like in your calculator, punch this in. It's above the x squared. It's like right above log. So you want to hit the second for the blue, and then hit right above the x squared, which is right above the log on the left, to get the square root. Okay, hit quit. So look, your calculator looks like this, like that, and you have your second button, which is right here, and then you have log, which is right here, and right above log you have this little x squared guy. All right, so the x squared button has two buttons. It has x squared, but if you hit the blue, you'll access what's above that, which is the square root. So hit second and then x squared. So then 9 and then do that. And then 28. Yep, and then what'd you get? Wait, well no, like with the decimal with the calculator, like 47 point something? Yes, so 47.62. Okay, and what was the answer that you just figured out? 18 what? Okay, now put that in your calculator. 18 root 2? No, just exactly like you see it here. Your answer is wrong. Wait, 18 times the square root of, wait, hold on. 18 times the square root of 2 is 25, right? So you see how that number is not the same as that number? Then it's wrong. They should be the same thing. We just saved you. We just saved you from a wrong. So let's see what's going on. So if we have 20, okay, so what'd you do? Well, that's not how you should do it. You should break it into your smallest prime. You could do it that way, but it's better to just see if it gets cut by 2, see if it gets cut by 5, see if it gets cut by 3. Okay, so we're going to do that. Well, watch. If you do 4 and 7, then what'd you do? Yes. 2 times the square root of 7, right? All right, and then you have to have your getaway driver, which is at 9. So then your answer is 18 root 7. You wrote 18 root 5? You magically wrote a 2. That's because you probably got a text message. Okay, look. But wait. The way you do these, watch. A better way to do this, have your attention, is don't divide it by 4 and 7. Divide it by 2. All right, so when you get divided by 2, it's 2 and what? No. Okay, but look. Oh, actually, so if we're checking, because this lesson is about checking, right? So type in your calculator 18 root 7, and it better be 47.62. So type that in your calculator, 18 root 7. 18 second x squared 7, and what do you got? So did you do it right? All right. The other way to check, but you cannot do this if you have a getaway driver. So, what's the other way to check? Yeah, so if you're doing the square root of 27, and we find that it's 3 root 3, how do we check that? Yep, 3 times 3, and then times this 3, and you'll get 27. Oh, you can also, by the way, do this in the calculator. So if you do 3 root 3, punch that out, tell me what you get. 3 root 3, 5 point what? 5.19, okay, and then if you do the square root of 27, what do you get? So did I do the root problem correctly? Yep, okay. One more thing. This is important. This will help you avoid mistakes. Is if you're doing the square root of a number, like 28, are you going to do 4 and 7? And does the smallest number go on the left or does it go on the right? Left. So you get 2 and 14, and then what do you break that to? Smallest number again. So what are you going to do? Okay, so if you have 14, you're going to break that into what? 2 and 7. So that way, look, all your prime numbers will always be nice and tidy on the left-hand side. You won't lose track of them. All right, keep going.